What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the essential phone PH-1 flashlight test. Okay, let me demonstrate the flashlight. Can you see? Okay, let me turn it off. It's like dark. I mean the flashlight is quite strong, to be honest with you, it's quite strong. I mean, as you can see, the flashlight is really very strong. I mean, you can see my hand. Let me turn off the flashlight. I mean, it's dark, isn't it? Wow. I am really very much impressed. I am really very much impressed. I mean, the flashlight is good. It's quite good, to be honest with you. Again, if you wanna buy this phone, you can buy this phone from the link below. This is one of the best phone currently selling for less than 300 bucks on Amazon. This is a must buy. And it was me, Jimmy. If you wanna support me on Amazon. Check out the links in the description box below. Bye.